There are a few important concepts that we really need to understand before we dive deep into Facebook advertising. The first one is organic reach. Now, what is organic reach? Organic reach is the number of people that gets to see your post in their newsfeed every time you post something and you do not advertise. Put it into a scenario. Say, for example, if you have 1,000 people who like your Facebook page, okay? So when you post something in the page, how many people can you reach without clicking the boost button or spending any money on advertising? Now that leads to another concept, which is newsfeed. Now, Facebook newsfeed is the place where we consume information every single day where we log into Facebook, including advertisement. So the moment you open up Facebook, the first page that you see is the newsfeed. So this is where people consume information, and put it this way, nobody will ever come back to your Facebook page and see what you have posted, except it's your competitors. So it's important for us to measure our distribution by how many times we appear in the newsfeed and how many people we have touched. So the standard industry rate for organic reach, guess how many percent? It's actually 1 to 3% for a standard ones. Of course, I've seen lower and probably some higher. That actually depends on the activity and engagement rate that the Facebook page has. But generally, whenever you post something, say if you have 1,000 people who like your Facebook page, there are only 10 to 30 people that might be able to see your post in their newsfeed.